Every day, millions of people wake up and stay silent. Not because they have nothing to say, but because they don't know how to say it in English. Maybe this is you. You know many words. You understand movies. You understand your teacher. But when someone asks you a simple question, what do you do every day? Your mind goes blank. Your heart beats fast. And you say nothing. This is the story of something very small, a daily routine, and how talking about it can change everything. When you learn English, you think you must speak big sentences. You think you need difficult grammar. You think you must sound perfect. But the truth is very different. Confidence does not start with big words. It starts with simple sentences. It starts with your daily routine. I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth. I drink tea. Simple. But for many beginners, even these sentences feel heavy. They feel scary.
Why?
Because of fear. Fear of making mistakes. Fear of wrong grammar. Fear of people laughing. You want to speak, but something stops you. Something inside says, what if I say it wrong? And that fear grows every day. You watch others speak English. You compare yourself. You feel small. But what if I tell you the solution is already in your life? You don't need new vocabulary. You don't need perfect grammar. You need your routine. Every day you wake up. Every day you eat. Every day you work or study. You already know your story. You just need to say it. In simple English. In the beginning, it feels uncomfortable. You try to speak. I wake. I am wake. I waking. You stop. You feel embarrassed. You think, I can't do this. But what happened next is important. Instead of giving up, you try one simple method. You stop thinking about difficult grammar. You choose the present simple tense. I wake up at 7 a.m. I take a shower. I go to work. I come home at 6 p.m. You repeat these lines every day, again, and again, and again. At first it feels boring, but something is changing. Slowly, your tongue moves faster. Your mind becomes clear. The sentences become smooth. This is where everything changed. One day, someone asks you, tell me about your daily routine. And this time you don't freeze. You take a small breath. You smile. And you start. I wake up at 7 a.m. Then I brush my teeth and drink tea. After that, I go to work. The sentences are not perfect, but they are real. They are yours. And no one saw this coming, even you. Because the biggest change was not your grammar. It was your confidence. You see, speaking English is not about being perfect. It is about being clear. It is about being brave. When you talk about your daily routine, you are training your brain. You are building a strong base. Like a house needs a foundation, your English needs simple sentences. Daily routine sentences are your foundation. Without foundation, the house falls. Without simple speaking practice, confidence falls. But with practice, everything grows. Maybe today, you only say 5 sentences. That's okay. Tomorrow you say 7. Next week, you add time words. First, I wake up. Then, I have breakfast. After that, I study English. Now your story becomes longer, stronger, more natural. And something amazing happens. You stop translating from your language. You start thinking in English. You don't say the sentence in your head first. It just comes out. This is the turning point. The moment when fear becomes power. The moment when silence becomes voice. But remember, this did not happen in one day. It happened because you repeated simple sentences. Because you did not quit. Because you accepted mistakes. Mistakes are not your enemy. Silence is. Let me say that again. Mistakes are not your enemy. Silence is. If you stay silent, you never grow. If you speak, even with small errors, you become stronger. Your daily routine is your safe topic. No difficult ideas. No hard opinions. Just your life. And your life is enough. Maybe you wake up early. Maybe you work hard. Maybe you take care of your family. These are powerful stories. And when you speak them in English, you are not just learning grammar. You are building courage. You are proving to yourself that you can do it. Imagine 6 months from now. Someone asks you, "Can you speak English?" And you answer calmly, "Yes, I can." Not because you are perfect, but because you are confident. Because you practiced every day. Because you talked about your routine again and again. Simple sentences. Clear voice. Strong heart. This is the secret most people ignore. They search for advanced tricks. They buy big courses. They wait for the perfect time. But the real growth starts with small, daily speaking. I wake up. I eat breakfast. I go to work. Simple. Powerful. Life-changing. If you want to speak English confidently, start today. Tonight, before you sleep, describe your day in English. Even if it is only 5 sentences. Tomorrow morning, describe your morning routine again. Record your voice. Listen. Improve. Repeat. This small habit can change your future. Because confidence is not magic. It is practice. It is repetition. It is courage in small moments. And when you can speak about your daily routine without fear, you can speak about anything. Travel. Dreams. Goals. Opinions. Everything grows from this small beginning. So, do not wait. Do not stay silent. Your voice matters. Your story matters. And your daily routine is the first step to fluent English. Start small. Speak daily. Believe in yourself. One day, you will look back and smile. You will remember the time when simple sentences felt impossible. And you will be proud. Because you did not give up. If this story touched you, if you felt this fear before, then you are not alone. Keep practicing. Keep speaking. And if you want more simple and powerful English lessons, subscribe to this channel and watch the next video. Your journey has just begun.